everyone, this is Mrs. Pfaff, and I wanted to let you know that on the RHPCS website there are some tutorials. You may have seen them before, you may not have, but I wanted to let you know that they're there just in case they are helpful. So if you go to up at the top of the RHPCS website, if you look at Student Life, if you hover over that, there is an Otus Access and Help link. And if you click on that, it'll take you to all kinds of Otus Help. In case you need that, there's links down here that you can access. And then clicking on that will take you directly to Otus. Or if you want to click here, these are videos. Many of them I've created just to help people figure out how to log in or access things. And so feel free to just look through there in case that helps you. There's also on here an IStation tutorial, and this will help you if you don't have a Chromebook and you're trying to access IStation, because the Chromebooks actually have an app on them where you access IStation through the app. So look for that on your Chromebook. If you've chosen to not use a Chromebook, then you'll want to check out one of these tutorials so that you can see exactly how to access IStation successfully, because it may not be as intuitive as it seems like. So just wanted to let you know those are there to help you in case you need them. All right, have a great day.